fugitive emissions are a critical issue for many industries, contributing to environmental harm and posing regulatory challenges. These emissions come from unintended releases of gases or vapors in industrial processes. Emission sources include valves, pumps, compressors, and pipe flanges. These components can release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and greenhouse gases like methane, impacting both the environment and operational efficiency. To manage fugitive emissions, industrial facilities rely on sealing solutions designed to maintain pressure and prevent leaks. Mechanical seals, gaskets, and compression packing are crucial for this purpose. Selecting the right materials for seals is essential. Options include rubber, flexible graphite, and advanced polymers, each offering specific benefits in terms of durability, temperature tolerance, and chemical resistance. Proper installation of seals and regular maintenance are key to minimizing emissions. Incorrect installation or lack of maintenance can lead to increased leakage and higher emissions over time. Routine inspections help identify early signs of wear and allow for timely replacements, reducing the risk of uncontrolled emissions. A proactive maintenance approach is vital for compliance with environmental regulations. Various sealing devices, including mechanical seals, gaskets, and stem packing, are designed to meet industry-specific requirements, providing robust solutions for emission control. CDI Products offers advanced sealing solutions to help industries manage fugitive emissions effectively. With a focus on reliability and environmental stewardship, CDI ensures that sealing systems meet the highest standards of performance. Thank you for watching. For innovative solutions and engineered precision, visit cdiproducts.com. Let CDI Products be your trusted partner for your next project.